Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today's video I am going to be doing a shop with me. I went to the Dollar Tree last night to pick up some cotton rounds, and I figured that they would have some Valentine stuff, but I was really amazed at all the Valentine stuff that they actually had. I had said that I was not ready for Valentine's, but after seeing all of these things, I had to share it with you. And the funny thing is that when I got home last night, I realized that I got so caught up in recording while I was in the Dollar Tree that I forgot my cotton rounds. But anyway, I wanted to mainly show you a lot of this stuff because there are several things that I saw that I felt like would not last very long, and I wanted you to have an opportunity to go out to your store and see if you could find these items in case it's something you're interested in. But they have those cute little finger skateboards again. They also have the cute little pins that I had picked up last year. I thought they were really cute, but I was the only one I think that really got into them, so I'm not going to be buying those again. I really miss having little kids because, you know, those are so super cute for class Valentine's Day parties, or even if you just want to throw a Valentine party for your children or your grandchildren in your own home. They have really cute little novelty items that you can create little gift bags. And these stickers here they're like little box stickers you can give out, and on the very top of each one it shows you the different stickers that you can get in each pack, which I thought was nice because I can't remember them doing that before. And the Valentine cards they have are a pretty good variety. I have a feeling though that before Valentine's Day they're going to have a whole lot more out. But this is, you know, really cute, inexpensive way to purchase a lot of Valentines for your children. And these were my favorite. They just had some really cute little sayings on the back. It kind of reminded me of when I was a kid and the types of Valentine cards that we had. They weren't really any kind of commercially themed Valentines. They were just really cute and simple. And they have the table scatter and the little foam hearts, things you could do for craft ideas or just for decorations. The little stamps. These are the little felt hearts that I had used last year when I made a Valentine DIY, and I will link that video down below so that you can see that. They turned out really pretty. And I thought those pins were really pretty too. That would be a nice little simple thing that you could stick down into a little bag or basket. And they have the rose petals also that you can use to scatter about onto your dining room table or whatever. And then I just wanted to show the paper plates that they have out. And I'm hoping they get more than these two designs because, I mean, they're okay, but I think something cuter would be nice. And now, of course, you know, they've got their cards, and they did have these cards in two different sections in the Dollar Tree. So this is the first section that I came across, and then you'll see the other ones in a little bit. And I am showing the insides of some of these cards because I didn't think there were that many, but then when I got to the other side and saw the other cards, there was just way too many for me to do that. But I did pull them out so that you could see the fronts of those. When you have the Valentine tissue paper, I don't typically buy these just because I think 10 sheets for $1 is a little bit pricey. I always get the standard white because that goes with pretty much everything in your present you know, looks just as good. Plus, if you have a lot of patterns on your bags and stuff, sometimes it can make it look a little too busy. And this bag here, I wanted to zoom in close because the glitter on this bag is absolutely gorgeous. And some of these bags that they've got out for Valentine's Day could also be used for some birthdays as well. So I may go back and pick up a few of those. I'm not sure. I don't typically use Valentine bags to give my girls their little Valentine presents in. I like to make baskets and stuff like that. And then they have these cute signs. These are pretty new. I had not seen these last year. I did not pick that one up, and now I'm regretting it, so I may go back. But I just thought those were really pretty. And this sign here, I'm pretty sure they had this last year. I think most of these signs they had last year. So if you were not able to catch them last year, you should have a pretty good chance on picking them up this year. And then the tall, skinny Valentine signs that has the word love on it. They have a white and a red sign, and I did pick up, I think, the red sign last year. I cannot remember. But they're supposed to have a little galvanized metal heart in the love word. The white sign in this store did not have them. I think they must have all fell off because I did go through and look at those, and this is the sign I'm talking about right here. But the red sign did have them. So just make sure when you go to your store, if it's missing that, look up close. You can see the outline of the glue where it was supposed to be there. Don't pick up a sign that does not have the little metal piece in the center for the heart. Then of course they had all of their Valentine floral, and this is something new. And when I saw this, all I thought about was cotton stems. This, I have a feeling, will not last at all. If you see these long stem roses in your store, you need to grab them. They look so realistic. I did pick up 6. I wish I would have got 12, but they are going to be the hot item, I do believe, this year. And these little stuffed animals are really cute. They're very soft, and you know, just something simple and cute to put in a little gift basket. These little dogs, I think, are my favorite because they are all different, and they're just, you know, the two-tone of them are just really cute. They got the little hearts on the ears, and they each say something different on the body, but and they're super soft as well. And then they have the chocolate scented bears again, one in the tan and then one in the dark brown. And they do have a chocolate scent. Now, it's not the chocolate scent of the candy bar, but if you've ever smelled any chocolate scented markers or anything like that, that's basically what it smells like. And I just wanted to take a picture of the aisle of candy. I did not go down that aisle at this time to go into any detail with that. They have the red heart string lights. You get 10 of those, and I thought this was pretty neat. It's a nice heavy wood sign that you can decorate yourself with paint or glitter or whatever. They have the heart picks out again. Those are really nice to use in vases and wreaths. And then those little mason jar things, they're cute. It's plastic. I didn't pick one up because I have a lot of jars that I can use to recycle. Then you've got a little sign here that you can also make yourself, and all this beautiful ribbon. And I'm going to check my ribbon because I'm not sure what I've got, so that's why I didn't buy any. But these are the other cards that I found closer to the regular card section. And I just think that all of these are really beautiful. Even if you didn't use these to give to anyone, they would be great to break apart and use in crafting. And I like that when they do their cards that they try and make them different every year. They did put out Valentine cards last year like this, but I did not see any repeats from last year, which is nice. Because a lot of times when people give cards, they do tend to forget, what they've given people. And so it's really easy to do. So I am glad that they do swap those out every year. And I just wanted to briefly scan over and show you their regular card section, that they also have that stocked as well. And I did not spend any time over there because I knew that if I started reading those cards that I would be in that store way longer than I needed to be. And that's all of the Valentine items that I was able to find. And they did have a few other new items that they're putting out in some pretty new spring colors. I didn't really look close on that, but that looks like a cat litter scoop, which really is very durable and nice. I am only thinking that they put that over in the section with the kitchen gadgets because they were all in the same color theme. But these will probably be the spring colors that they have out this year. And these little things here, I've got one of these that I purchased at Bed Bath & Beyond for like $4. Those things work so good. And this right here is nice, but I think the little holes are too fine for me. If you're wanting to do Parmesan cheese or something, that would be okay, but for cheddar, I would not recommend using that. These globes are really beautiful. I love the iridescence on them. And then these I saw a few weeks ago, so they are still plentiful in my stores. You can use those for different things. I think little succulents will be pretty planted in that. They're starting to stock up in their spring floral aisle with all kinds of really pretty embellishments and stuff. The butterflies are really pretty. They're using some burlap in those as well, and the details on them are just absolutely gorgeous. And this is just some lemon lip balm I had not seen before. I thought that was pretty neat. And these scissors are really cute if you've got little ones. I used to buy Madeline and Caitlin ones with designs on them like that.